In daily life sometimes, we accidentally get stabbed by a splinter of wood. Most people's first reaction is to remove the splinter as soon as possible. However, there are times when the splinter can become deeply embedded in the skin, making it difficult to remove immediately. If not treated promptly, the skin can become infected. The infected area will often begin to swell and collect pus under the skin. The pressure of the pus can sometimes push the splinter to the surface of the skin, making it easier to remove. During this process, our body will naturally try to remove the splinter. If we are lucky, after a while, the body can dissolve it and completely remove the splinter from the skin. When suturing a wound, the doctor will insert a needle through your wound, pulling the stitches tightly so that the two sides of the wound are closed together. The wound will then begin to become inflamed, a sign that new cells are actively repairing the damaged tissue. Next, connective tissue and collagen begin to form, which is essential for skin repair. Finally, new blood vessels form around the wound, providing the necessary nutrients for the new skin. After a few weeks of recovery, you will see that the wound has completely healed.